Hello everyone, welcome to Quant Masters. Today we have Akshita with us who is placed in Accenture and she's from Visakhapatnam. So let's talk to her and know about the entire interview process in detail. So hi Akshita.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good Akshita, how are you?
I'm great too.
Okay, so firstly we would like to congratulate you for getting placed in Accenture. We are very happy for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, so ready to share how was your interview experience with Accenture? You know, right? So many people around are trying so hard to get placed in Accenture. It would
Yes.
be really helpful for them if you could share all the details related to the interview, the first round, the second round, all the rounds, and questions from which topics were asked in each and every round.
Yes.
Whatever you remember, please share it with us.
Sure, sure.
So, firstly, tell us what was the job role and the exact package, Akshita.
Okay, so the role offered to me is ASC role, which is Associate Software Engineer role,
Okay.
for about 4.5 LPA.
Okay, so which college are you from?
Uh, I'm from Gayatri Vidya Parishad College of Engineering, Koppal,
It's in
Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam.
Yeah.
Okay, and the department?
Computer Science Engineering.
You are from CSE. Okay, super. So when did you apply for the Accenture recruitment?
I've applied on April 22nd.
April 22nd, 2021. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So when did
I,
you take up the first round?
Okay, so I've got the schedule mail, like mail regarding the whole schedule, right from the test till the interview results schedule will be given prior to the
Okay.
test. So that I've got it within a week after applying it. And then
Okay. The
around,
exact date on which date was that conducted, the
eight-
first round?
okay, the first round was just a minute.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
So the first round was conducted
On 4th June, sorry, 5th June. Yeah,
on
they've
5th
given
June?
the mail regarding the assessment on 4th.
Okay.
That conducted on 5th.
So the very next day you had the first round.
Yes.
Totally, how many rounds were there?
Okay, so the first round is the cognitive round
Okay.
and the technical round. Like both of them are combined in one.
It was a written test, right?
Yes.
Objective.
If you
Yeah.
complete that, you'll be going towards the coding round on the same dates.
Okay. And that's it. You had more rounds?
Yeah. After that, if you qualify, like I'll be telling it later, like after we discuss further.
Sure, sure. Yeah. Please tell us how
Yeah.
it started. Yeah.
Yeah. So the first round was technical and cognitive skills assessment.
Okay.
You'll be having sections. It's all about English ability, numerical ability, logical reasoning part. And
Okay.
then the other three were technical, fundamentals of networking, security, cloud, MS Office, and the
Okay.
basic computer knowledge you need to have for that, just the basic things.
Okay. Okay. So how many questions in total?
So all over, it was about 90 questions for 90 minutes.
So it was not sectional cutoff or something. Sectional
Yeah,
time was allotted?
no, sectional time wasn't allotted, but
Okay.
sectional, you need to have a clear cutoff for each section. Only then you'll be going for the next round.
Okay. Marks there was cutoff, sectional
Yeah,
cutoff.
it's
But
like,
overall
yeah,
time
like,
was
yes, sorry.
not sectional. They had
No, no,
given how many minutes for 90 questions?
sorry, ma'am.
90 questions, how many minutes were given?
90 questions, 90 minutes.
90 minutes. Okay. So you had 1 minute for every question.
Yes.
Correct. Okay. Yeah. Numerical ability. Do you remember which topics questions came from?
The basic like profit and loss, like all the
Okay.
basic on ratios and proportions, ages.
Percentage, profit loss, compound interest, all
Yeah, all
basic topics were
the
covered.
basic
And do you
arithmetic topic.
remember a rough figure like how many questions from numerical ability was asked?
Uh, Maybe around 12 to 15.
12 to 15 questions. And what was the level of difficulty?
It was moderate, ma'am. Like if you know the basic
You
stuff
could
like
answer.
schooling, you can answer it really.
Okay, super. This was the first section. The next section.
English ability.
Okay.
That was around 8 to 10 questions. It was
And the
very
level
easy.
of difficulty?
Very easy.
Very easy.
Yeah.
Okay, you could save a lot of time for other sections here.
Yeah,
Right?
I could do that very quickly also.
Okay, paragraph passage reading was given.
Yes. Oh, yeah. There was a reading comprehension and then error correcting.
And that wasn't time consuming. A big
No, I
paragraph
have
was
the
given.
habit of reading a lot, and I've done a lot of reading comprehensions, not for this, but in general.
Okay,
So it wasn't very difficult for me. I
so
could read
that
it.
helped you.
Yes.
Okay, super. So overall, verbal section was quite easy.
Yes.
Yeah. Then next section.
And then we'll be having logical reasoning. Like we'll be
Okay.
having puzzles and the series patterns. We need to
Number
predict what is the
series,
next
blood
pattern.
relations, coding, decoding,
Yeah, all of them. All of them.
syllogisms, direction questions.
Syllogism 4, yeah, yes, ma'am. Syllogism, yeah. There were 4 to 5, one after the other.
Oh, you had 4 to 5 syllogisms questions. How difficult were they? They were easy
They
or
were
difficult?
moderate. You need to have a like, basic logic.
Good command over the subject. Then you can solve. So totally, how many questions from the third section?
Around, sorry, for the logical one.
Logical, yes.
Again, like 10 to 12.
10 to 12. And the level of difficulty was also like okay-ish.
Okay.
You could answer. Okay, so these were first 3 sections. Then the fourth section?
The fundamentals of say, networking, MS Office, and then pseudo codes. All of them were mixed. Like you can't really see the sectional.
Okay, you can't give a name. Okay, super. So this was also easy?
It was moderate.
Moderate. You could answer.
Yes.
Okay, so this fourth one was technical. And the fifth section was?
Pseudocode.
Pseudocode. And how many questions for the pseudocode section?
Around 8 to 10. Yes.
8 to 10. And the level of difficulty?
It was moderate itself.
It was moderate. Okay, so everything was quite easy types only.
Yes.
And the last section was?
On security and cloud.
Okay, how many questions were asked?
Around maybe 20 to 30 questions.
20 to 30 questions were asked. So most of the questions were from this section only.
So, yeah, yes. 50 questions are from technical part and then 40 are from the cognitive.
Okay, okay. So how was the level of questions, this part, last section?
Last section, it was moderate itself.
It was moderate itself. You could answer. So overall, the time was sufficient?
Yes, ma'am. I saved a lot of time in verbal ability. So I could do the logical reasoning.
Use that time in other sections. Okay, super. So overall, it was easy to moderate. So when did you get to know that you have cleared the first round?
Within 2 minutes of completing the exam.
Okay, just after finishing it, you got to know that you have cleared the first round.
They'll be showing you a timer and they'll ask you to wait for so and so minutes on the screen.
Okay.
And then within 5 minutes, they'll be giving you the message like, congratulations, you're eligible for the coding round.
Okay, okay, super. So what was the second round?
It was coding round.
It was a coding round.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Yeah. How many questions were asked? How many coding questions?
2 questions were given.
Okay.
One was easy to moderate and the other one was moderate to tough.
Okay.
But
so how much time was given?
Before. Yes, ma'am.
How much time was given? For
45
both the
minutes.
45 minutes together. Okay. Do you remember what were those 2 coding questions?
Yes, ma'am. The first one was elevator problem, where yeah, it's like you need to find the maximum weight that elevator can hold after looking at the conditions given by them.
Okay. So you solved it?
It was easy one, but I attempted the tough one first.
Okay.
I could solve the tough one perfectly, like all the test cases passing.
Passed.
And the second one was, I mean, the first one, which was easy one, it was like 90% executed. Like the test cases were
90%.
passed, but yeah, but there was some hidden issue from the system side, so I was not sure.
And the time was sufficient?
Time was sufficient. Yes.
Okay. So when did you get to know that you have cleared the second round as well?
It took me around 3 to 4 days.
Okay.
I received a mail after that, after 3 to 4 days, regarding the communication.
Okay, okay. So after 3 to 4 days, you got to know that you have cleared the second round as well.
Yes.
So what was the next round, third round?
It was communication test, ma'am.
Okay. What was it about?
they've given the mail on 6th May.
Okay. 6th
Saying
May
that-
or June?
May.
Okay, the first one was conducted on 4th May, 5th
5th
May,
May.
right? Okay, fine. Please continue.
Yeah, on 6th May, like they've given a window, like
Okay,
between 6th May and 12th May, you can attempt the communication assessment at any time.
okay, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
tell us about the communication test.
Okay, so there'll be 6 sections. It's nothing about MCQs and subjective answers. It's all about you telling to the system and the system hearing it to you. It's like that.
So basically, they will be testing your hearing ability, your
Hearing
speaking ability, your writing ability,
Yeah.
right? This is called the Versant test, isn't it?
Person. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. Please tell us about every section. You had 6 sections, right?
Yes.
Yeah. What was the first section?
First section was they'll be giving you instructions before every section.
Okay.
So section was they'll be giving you 8 to 10 sentences, one by one, and you
Okay.
need to repeat the sentences just by listening to it once.
Okay. You just need to read it out. Correct.
Yes, one after the other. They'll be giving you 30 seconds for repeating it.
Okay. Then next round, next section.
Next section, we'll be having jumbled, phrases of a sentence. Like for example, Ram is eating a tomato. That's a sentence. So they'll be giving you like a tomato is Ram is eating or something like that. So you need
Okay.
to hear and you need to rearrange it in your mind and then spell it out.
Okay. Super. So then next section, was this easy for you? You found it little challenging?
There were about 12 questions, I guess.
Okay.
12 sentences. But the last sentence was almost like 6 to 7 phrases. So rearranging all of the phrases, like in my mind, was a bit difficult for me.
Was a little challenging. Okay. So you could do it finally.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the third section?
And then we had, can you just pause it?
Sure. Take your time.
Yeah.
Can recall.
The sections I wasn't very aware about. Just you pause it, right? Okay, so the third section was like among the 6 sections.
Yes.
Third one was like you'll be having around 16 to 20 questions. Not very sure about it.
Okay.
So very basic questions just to test your skills of communication, not about knowledge or something.
Okay.
From where do you drink water?
Okay.
A water bottle or a newspaper? So
Okay.
you answer that. A water bottle.
Okay. Super. Then the fourth section?
But you just have to answer that.
Okay. Fine. Understood. Then the next section, fourth section?
It was then storytelling. So it's like
Okay.
they'll be telling you a story, and then you'll be hearing a beep after
Okay.
the story, and then again you'll be hearing another beep after 30 seconds.
Okay.
Within that, you need to, repeat the story itself, like in a short summary type.
Okay. In your own words. Correct.
Yes.
Whatever you have understood.
30 seconds.
Okay. So this was the fourth section. Then the next section?
There are 2 or 3 stories for it.
Okay. The same thing was repeated 3 times. Okay. 2 to 3 stories. There were
2 stories. Yes.
2 different stories. You have to listen to it completely and then repeat it in your own words.
Yes.
Okay. Super. Then the next section, fifth section?
The next section was like they'll be giving you 2 scenarios.
Okay.
And then you need to just, like, for example, they have asked me, the television and the newer technology, is it a boon or a bane for the future generations? It's like,
Okay.
you just need to tell them in your own words for about 30 seconds.
You have to tell them or type it?
So, no, we need to just tell it out.
Okay. Super. So this was the fifth section.
Yes.
Okay. So they were not checking your writing skills in any of the 6 sections?
No. Only reading, listening, and speaking skills.
Okay. And the last section?
I'm not very sure about it, but it's all about speaking and reading skills.
Okay. It was something similar to all these 5 sections.
All of them, yes. You can just check it out. Like if it's Versant test, like you'll be getting all the details.
Okay. Was this an elimination round?
No, ma'am. communication is not an elimination route. Even
No.
coding is not, but it's not
Okay.
that you just can't leave the questions and then get, it's not like that.
Yeah, correct. So
Management
was this an
question.
off-campus or an on-campus interview, Akshita?
Off campus.
Off-campus. Okay, super. So when was the next round conducted?
So all the tests and assessments were completed. And then if you complete them, about a week, I got a mail about the interview saying that, you need to select the slot and the date.
Okay. So when was that taken? The final, that was the final round, isn't it?
Yes, final interview
Okay. So when was that conducted?
on 17th May.
On 17th May, the final round was conducted. So that was a technical interview or an HR interview?
HR in one interview itself.
Both. Okay, super. Yeah, tell us about the final round.
Okay, so actually there are supposed to be 2 panel members,
Okay.
but only one for me.
Okay, fine. Then on which platform was that conducted?
On their respective platform, like Higher Pro platform.
Okay, super. Yeah, tell us about the questions that were asked in the final round.
Okay, so he introduced himself first,
Okay.
and then he asked me to introduce myself. He was quite friendly also. He was saying that he had 9 years of experience in Accenture and what was his role.
Okay.
And then after he asked me, I introduced myself, and then he asked about my project, final year project.
Mm-hmm.
So I just told him that we're not yet done, like because of the pandemic, the semester got delayed.
Yes.
So just a few weeks back, we got to enter our semester curriculum, and then we started. We're halfway done to our project, so I'll explain you what we have done. Then, so I just told him like that.
Okay, so you explained everything about your project.
Yes, everything.
Okay, other than your project, anything else was asked?
Technical questions, like very basic questions, like first he asked me like what are the certifications you've done.
Okay.
So I told that I've done Python. So he asked me questions on Python.
Okay, questions only on Python were asked. You told Python, that's why he asked only questions which were related to Python.
Yes, only a few
Okay.
questions, maybe 3 or 4 basic questions.
So those were also basic types.
Yes.
Nothing complicated was asked.
Sorry, ma'am.
Those questions were not complicated, right?
Not complicated because I've done the certification. It's
You
not like
found those.
but it's not like only because I've been able to answer. Anyone could answer. It was like
Anyone
that.
who has basic knowledge of Python could answer.
Yes.
Those kind of questions were asked. Okay, super. Then anything else? Any other technical questions?
No.
And then
They
what
were
about HR questions?
related to project.
Okay, project related questions were asked.
Yes, like whose idea was it? Why did you take up that topic itself?
Okay.
Was it a group project or was it a single one?
Okay, super. Then anything else? HR questions?
No, a lot. Like I mean, like there were almost like 10 to 12 questions related to project and scenario based.
Okay. So you remember anything related
Yeah.
to that?
Yes. It was like, but all the scenarios were also related to project itself.
Okay. So that you must have
Yes.
found it easy, right?
Yeah. Like it was like everything was interconnected. So he asked like whose idea was it?
Mm-hmm.
So since it was a group one, we took around 10 topics and then we finalized. We took the pros and cons of each and then we came out. So it was not like a single person. Everyone sat together. I just told
Oh,
him that. Then he
oh,
was like, "So do you prefer teamwork then, or like that?" Like everything was like interconnected.
interconnected. So even the HR questions were connected to your project itself.
Yes.
How you made your project, how was your relationship with your friends and all.
Yes. Like
So
was
he's
there any
convinced, like
quantity
whatever
of?
you told, was he convinced with your answers?
He was, yeah, yes, ma'am. He had a smile, a small smile, but I was. You shouldn't be too overconfident also by looking at that smile.
Okay, super. So anything else?
Extracurricular activities, like anything else apart from academics, he asked. I
Okay.
just told him, and I've participated in a lot of national Olympiads, cyber Olympiad, math
Okay.
science Olympiads. and then badminton, baking, everything. I've told her that. So he was like, in badminton, do you like singles or doubles?
Okay.
When I said singles, he was like, immediately he asked me, like, you said you like teamwork, then why do you like singles?
What did you tell?
I just told, like, in my childhood, I love, watching both of them. But in my childhood, when I played doubles or triples or whatever, I got thrashed by the, shuttle racket a lot of times. So I just got bruised badly. So that was a bad experience and I couldn't come out of it. So, but it's not like I didn't, but you shouldn't admit that I've just stopped playing like that. So
Okay,
just
okay.
a few years again, I came up with doubles, but I like singles. So I just told him and he laughed very much.
Okay, super. So anything else was asked, or that's it?
That's it. It was about 25 minutes.
Okay, it went on for 25 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, super. So when did you get to know that you have cleared the final round and got placed in Accenture?
On June 2nd, actually, they were supposed to give the results on May 31st, according to the schedule given by them.
Okay.
Everyone who waited for it, but they've released it on June 2nd.
Okay, it got delayed and the final results were announced on June 2nd. Okay,
Yes.
so that was all about the entire interview process.
Yes.
Okay, super Akshita. And thanks for sharing everything in detail with us. I'm sure students who are watching this will find it very useful.
Yes, sure. Even I think the same.
Yes, and once again, congratulations for getting placed in Accenture with such an amazing package, Akshita. We are very happy for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, then, Akshita. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye now.